Hi, my name is Akhil Sai Patel. I am from Aeronautical Engineering. My topic is about movement concept and the types of movements. This is my concept video of engineering mechanics. In physics, a movement is an expression involves the product of a distance and physical quantity, and in this way it accounts for how the physical quantity is located or managed. Movements are actual usually defined with respect to a fixed reference point. They deals with the physical quantities located at some distance relative to the reference point. For example, the momentum force, often called torque, in the product of the force and an object and the distance from the reference point to the object. In this principle, any physical quantity can be multiplied by a distance to produce a movement. Commonly used quantities include force, mass, and electric charge distributive. Movement introduction. Movement definition. Movement is the arithmetic mean of the various powers of the derivatives of items from their assumed mean or actual mean. If the derivative of the item are taken from the arithmetic mean of the distribution, it is known as central momentum. If the mass of the first power of derivative are taken, the first movement about the mean is obtained and is denoted by mu1. Second, the mean of the second power of the derivative gives the second momentum about the mean and is denoted by mu2. Similarly, the mean of cube of derivative gives third momentum about the mean and is denoted by mu3. The mean of the fourth power of the derivative from the mean gives the fourth moment about the mean and is denoted by mu4. Thus the mean rth power of the derivative gives the rth momentum about the mean or rth central momentum and is denoted by mu r. When how many times we derivative the given momentum, then we get that moment. Central moment or momentum about actual mean. First momentum about the mean, second momentum about the mean, third momentum about the mean, fourth momentum about the mean. By the summation of these four, we get property of the central momentum 1. The first momentum about the mean is always 0, that is mu1 is equal to 0. The second momentum about the mean measures variation, that equation 3, or the second moment about the mean measures skewness 1. If mu1 is greater than 0, the distribution is possibly skewed 2. If mu2 is less than 0, then distribution is negatively skewed. If mu3 is equal to 0, the distribution is symmetrical. Q1 and fourth momentum about the mean measures, it give information on the speakness or height of the peak of the frequency distribution, that whether it is more peak or more flat topped than a normal curve. This is about the peaks of this central momentum of the movement. Raw materials are the movement about actual arbitrary origin. When the actual meaning of a distribution in a fraction, it is tedious to calculate central movement. In such case, movement about an arbitrary origin A is calculated, and then these movements are converted into the movement about actual mean. The movement about actual arbitrary origin are known as raw movement and are denoted by denoted the first momentum about an arbitrary denoted by the second moment about in arbitrary, and so on. The variation raw materials is given below. First, the momentum about arbitrary origin, second the moment about arbitrary origin, third the moment about arbitrary origin, and the fourth about the arbitrary. Rth moment about the arbitrary origin gives this momentum of the raw material to the momentum. These are the moment raw materials of the moment. When the moment is calculated about the actual orbit origin. Classification of movements. Movements are classified according to their effective about the axis of rotation. They are classified as turning movement, bending movement, and twisting movements. These movements are classified into three types. They are turning movement, bending movement, and twisting movement. Based on their momentum, they are classified. Turning movement, this movement tends to rotate a body about a fulcrum. In this case, the body free to rotate about a fulcrum, that is, the momentum is giving as p into d. D is the distance and p is the position of the particle. When a rod is moving, bending towards towards the ground, the momentum of the rod, twisting momentum, this movement tends to twist a svelte about its own axis and that a plane. When it is twisted, when a body is at rest and it is twisted, m is equal to p into r. Here r is the reference. Thank you. This is about my concept video.